This video, guys, will be only for fun, so we will create something with two turtles or two arrows in one screen. So at first, again, from turtle, import turtle and turtle and screen. Create turtle. We can call it arrow because I don't want to turtle, and it will be arrow 1. Okay, and after that we can create arrow 2. Again, it will be turtle like this. After that we need a screen, so screen like this, and screen exit on click. Great, I like it. So now if I will run it, there are two arrows, but they are on the one spot, so it seems that there is only one, but there are two. And now we can do something. For example, arrow 1 and color will be red, for example. Arrow 2, the color will be green, for example. And what about, for example, arrow 1 pen size will be 2, so it will be a little bit thick. Arrow 2 pen size will be 2 as well. And what about speed? Arrow 1 speed maybe speed 2 and arrow 2 as well. Okay, so we have color, pen size and speed for both of them. So now I would like to create a cycle. So for, I call it I in range. And do you remember, so we can do lots of things in range. Do you remember? So you can say, okay, start from 30, go to 100, and the step will be 10. So it will be 30, 40, 50, 70, and so on and so on. Okay, and 100 will not be there, it's not included. Okay, and now I would like to take arrow 1 and create a circle. And now I can use I, so it means I will be 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Correct? So now I will run it. You can see arrow 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so on. Maybe I will speed it up a little. What about 8, for example? Like this. Okay, it's a little bit. Oh, why not? Okay. Okay, we have something like this. And now I would like to run the second arrow, so it means the green one, and go like this. It means between, okay, between the red ones. So how we can do that? So it will be 4. We can use I as well in range, but we need to start somewhere else. So I will start, for example, in 25, go to 90, and go about 10, or the step will be 10. So it will be 20, 25, 35, 45, 55, and so on. And again, arrow 2, circle I. I don't know what will happen. Okay, so we will see. But I think that now there is the second. Okay. Now is the second circle, or the second cycle, to be exact. Okay, why not? So you can do whatever you want, guys. So you can change it, you can play with it. It doesn't have to be circle. It can be, for example, square, and so on. You can go forward, backward. So it's up to you. So play with it, and I hope you like it.